See anything good lately? Welcome, this is where I do all of my work. Yeah, this is where I do... So I made all these bikinis and bras and things. I'm quite the avid crocheter actually. This is my knitting machine. This is where I do all my knitting machine videos. It just goes around. Oh, that's the same. That's the small version though. So this one does a smaller tube. And this one does the big tube. And then somewhere I have one that does a little tube. There it is. That's my one that does the little tube. And then I just bought this steamer to iron like clothes. And then this is one of my favorite things that I've made, is this crazy little brain head flower. Obviously I don't make all this stuff behind me, just being stupid. I have a handful of things to get on with yesterday and today, so I'm just keeping the videos like super simple, straightforward edits. We went to the flat today, and I'm probably gonna have to do a video. I'll tell you what, I'm going to do a video where I collate all of the footage from doing up the flat, and I'll make 2 videos where it's like part 1 and part 2, like ripping the bathroom out and restructuring the room, and then putting like sort of the aesthetic details in, like the tiles and the paint and that kind of stuff. Because right now it's already spread out throughout all the vlogs, and also like I started that process before the vlog even began. So yeah, I'll grab that footage, bring it into the future, collate what was already been in the vlog, and I'll make that into like a nice 2-parter so it's easy to follow. But yeah, if you just want to see it like live as it's happening, then you just got to watch all of the vlogs, I'm afraid. So this video is just kind of like a chill, a hangout day. So if you want to see us working on the flat and just generally hanging out, watch the vlog or just tune out. Works out fine.
I'm only there one night a week, and it's only from about 10 o'clock at noon when they get a start.
Yeah, nice one. Free breakfasts. Whoa! Handy being next door to a bakery. So we've just finished insulating this wall. We've got this wall set up now. It's all secured in level. I'm just going to plywood it and then put some tile backboard over the top. It's nice to have the day off. Got my apprentice doing everything. becoming a thing, slowly but surely. Hang on. Oh, there we go. Wide angle. That's better. Yeah. Oh, that's very good, Maya. Good cleaning. All right, we've just finished up sorting out the bathroom. It's Grandma's birthday, so we're going to go home now, get changed, and then dinner.
Got a pub.
Go to where?
Got a pub.
Got a pub. I have to carry Maya to the car because she thinks her shoes are in the car. You have to stay there.
Thank you.
See our reflection. Go on then. This is one of mine and Maya's favourite pubs that we're going to right now, and we were planning to go here for date night anyway, weren't we? It just happens to be Grandma's birthday, so conveniently we're going to the same place. I'm going back to the office now to do the editing for today's video. Hopefully yesterday and today will be quite short edits. Fingers crossed.